Zoho Inventory is a robust tool designed to help businesses manage their inventory efficiently. Here's a guide on how to use Zoho Inventory effectively. Set up your account. Sign up for Zoho Inventory and complete the initial setup by configuring your organization's details, warehouses, and user permissions. Manage inventory items. Start by adding your inventory items. Include details such as item name, description, SKU, pricing, and stock levels. Organize items into categories or groups for easier management. Track stock levels. Monitor real-time stock levels across multiple warehouses or locations. Set up low stock alerts to avoid stockouts and maintain optimal inventory levels. Order management. Create purchase orders to replenish stock based on reorder points or customer demand forecasts. Track order statuses from creation to fulfillment. Sales and invoicing. Generate sales orders and invoices directly from Zoho Inventory. Convert sales orders to invoices upon shipment or delivery of goods. Shipping and fulfillment. Manage shipping processes and track shipments. Print packing slips and shipping labels directly from Zoho Inventory. Integrate with other tools. Integrate Zoho Inventory with other Zoho applications and third-party platforms to synchronize data and streamline operations. Reports and analytics. Use Zoho Inventory's reporting tools to gain insights into inventory performance, sales trends, and financial metrics. Customize reports to focus on key business metrics.